afternoon. Let's look at page 70, question number 15. If you look at this particular question, there's nothing that pops out at me as far as being a nice greatest common factor or some factors that would easily add up to, or multiply to -5, multiply to 4, but add up to a -3. So instead I'm going to use the vertex method to figure out what my value is. So I'm going to take a -b over 2a. So our -b would be that, so a -3 over 2 times 4. So that's going to give me 3 over 8. So I'm going to make myself a table. We have 3 over 8. And what values would I want to pick that are close to that? Well, 3 over 8 is really close to 0. If I plug 0 through this function, I'm going to get something really nice. So I'm going to pick 0, which is smaller by a -3 over 8. So I'm going to add 3 over 8 to my other value, which would give me 6 over 8. I know that's going to give me a -5, so that would give me a -5. Because if I plug the 0 through, 0 here, 0 here, and get a -5 there. Let's figure out what 3 over 8 would give us. 4 times 3 over 8 squared minus 3 times 3 over 8 minus 5. So if I multiply that out, I'm going to get 9 over 64 minus 9 over 8 minus 5. Well, this part I can reduce. 4 goes into 64 16 times. So now I have 9 over 16 minus 9 over 8 minus 5. So let's figure out what that is on the calculator. 9 divided by 16 minus 9 divided by 8 minus 5. It's going to give us a negative 5.5625. So we know that all of our x values are positive, all our y values are negative, so we're going to be somewhere over here in fourth quadrant. So I'm going to have 0, -5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make that value of 1 so I have a far enough distance to be able to show you the little bits that are in here. And we want 3 over 8, which is about 3/4. So we're going to go down here. And then this one is going to be down at 5 and almost 7. So I'm giving an approximation. Now, because this doesn't have an equal part, we're going to be dashed. So let's do a dashed line up here. It's going to go on forever. Now let's figure out if we shade inside or whether we shade outside. I'm going to pick the point 0, 0 just because that would make my life the simplest. Is 0 less than 0 minus 0 minus 5? Well, 0 less than a -5 is not true, so that means that we're going to shade outside of our graph. Have a great day. Bye-bye.